Motell Granite the Great. Thank you, God. Cold Crown. Motell Granite. YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thumbs up or either thumbs down. Comment. Share. That's the usual. I want to say sex is even with the truth. But the thing is now it's getting harder to get both sex and the truth. You just cannot get anybody to even be real with themselves. The truth is way out there now. It's not even close by no more. It's in another galaxy somewhere else. And it can be frustrating for truth seekers. People just keep lying. And I don't know if this is tied into the same thing, but they're just not about their word. They'll say something to you and they will not follow through with it. And there's no accountability for that lack of follow through. So sex is even with the truth, and those two are way up here on the plateau, like a high-powered, college or pro football team where winning is consistent, and then you got your mediocre teams, and then you got your losers. So the truth and sex are way at the top. It's the elite of life. These people lie so much that they believe what they're saying. So sex is even with the truth, which is something we really can't even have a conversation about because I don't know if we know it. I love y'all.